Good morning, students of class 8. This is a crash course video of your first chapter, Determiners. So let us start with the chapter.
Determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are words which identify or specify a noun in some way. Okay? Determiners उस वर्ड को कहते हैं जो आइडेंटिफाई और स्पेसिफाई करते हैं नाउन को. ओके? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई ब्रदर, द बेस्ट बॉय, दैट ट्री. हियर द अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स आर determiners. Okay, my brother. My precedes noun. Brother noun है हमारा. और my is determiner. That is determiner, and the is also determiner. So determiner always precedes noun. Adjectives and determiners. Two examples are given here: difficult problem and this problem. Difficult is underlined and this is also underlined. The word difficult describes the problem. Okay, the word difficult describes the problem. It says which type of problem it is, किस तरह का problem है. तो ये problem difficult problem है, कठिन problem है. Okay. Second point is the word this does not describe the problem. Okay, this does not describe a problem. It determines or specifies the problem. Okay, this जो यहाँ पे this problem जो है, ये जो this है वो आपको डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर रहा है, वो डिटरमाइन कर रहा है और स्पेसिफाई कर रहा है, पॉइंट आउट कर रहा है. ओके, अबाउट द पार्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम एंड सेज दिस प्रॉब्लम, सो इट इज अ डिटरमिनर. ओके, एन एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब्स अ नाउन. एडजेक्टिव आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है, इट डिस्क्राइब्स अ नाउन. अ डिटरमिनर डिटरमाइन्स अ नाउन, points it out. Okay, a determiner determines a noun, points it out. An adjective tells some special quality of a noun, tells what kind a noun is और how many there are. ठीक है, adjective है वो बताता है quality of a noun, what kind of noun it is और कितने nouns है, how many nouns are there. Okay, but a determiner tells which one. Okay, determiners बताता है कौन सा है. Next now is kinds of determiners. We have already studied kinds of determiners: articles, demonstratives, possessives, distributives, quantifiers and interrogatives. Okay, so in articles a and the, articles a and the are determiners. Demonstrative में this, that, these and those are determiners. Okay, possessives my, our, your, his, her, etc. are determiners. Distributives either, neither, each, every are distributive determiners. Quantifiers some, any, much, many, several. These are quantifiers. And interrogatives what, which, whose, etc. These all are determiners. Okay children, now articles. A and an are indefinite articles, while the is the definite article. An article is placed before a noun. So we already know that there are three articles in English: a, an, and the. Of these, a and an are indefinite articles. A और an जो है वो indefinite articles है, while the is the definite article. The जो है वो हमारा definite articles है. An article is placed before a noun. An article जो है वो placed before a noun किया जाता है. And if there is an adjective before noun, the article is placed before the adjective. Okay, adjective अगर है तो वो आर्टिकल जो है वो हमारा पहले लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द वॉल, अ वर्कर, द राइट वॉल. ठीक है, वर्कर, द वॉल, the right wall. Okay. Now a and we use a and before countables in a singular number. Before countables in a singular number. Okay. Example: a train, a player, an experiment, a question, an uncle. Okay. We also use a before a countable in the singular number. Before a countable भी हम लोग इसको singular number में use करते हैं. A lecture, a platform, a building. Okay. We also use and before countables in singular number beginning with the vowel sound. Okay. जो भी countable singular number में और जो begin करता है vowel sound से, उसमें भी हम लोग a और and का use करते हैं. Sorry, and का use करते हैं. For example, an aunt, an artist, an instrument. Okay. So now we move to the the. The is the definite articles. Okay, the is the definite articles. We know this. We have to use it before a noun wherever we want to make it particular. जब भी हम किसी noun को particularize कर रहे हैं, specify कर रहे हैं, तब हम लोग को the use करना पड़ता है. We use the in that case. Example: the train by which I came. Okay, here the is an article. The book I usually read. The information I received. Okay, so here the is the countables में train और books आ गया. Okay, nouns में countable nouns में train और books आया और uncountables में information आया. Okay, the is the we use the with a noun that has already been mentioned. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि ऐसा नाउन के साथ भी हम लोग यूज करते हैं जो ऑलरेडी मेंशन किया गया हो. I got a camera and a watch as birthday present. Okay, so the watch is beautiful but the camera doesn't click. Okay, we use the when it is clear from the situation which people or thing we mean. The हम लोग तब भी यूज करते हैं जब हम लोग क्लियर है कि कौन से people और कौन से सिचुएशन पे हम बात कर रहे हैं. For example, the principal is taking a round of the school. The principal is of our school. May I use the telephone? Okay, these all are things. We use the with superlatives. Superlatives के साथ भी the का use होता है. The brightest star in the sky. The most hilarious act. Okay, this is the hilarious and brightest is the superlative. Now, demonstrative. So here we will start the second distributor, and that is demonstrative. So this, that, these and those. This, that, these and those comes under this. Okay, this is refer to persons or objects close by. We know that this and this refers to persons or objects close by. This is used before singular nouns and this before plural nouns. Okay, example: this book contains all the information we need and these flowers are for you. Okay, this जो है वो हम लोग सिंगुलर, दिस जो है वो हमारा सिंगुलर नाउन के लिए यूज होता है और दिस जो होता है वो हमारा प्लूरल नाउन्स के लिए यूज होता है. दिस जो होता है वो क्लोज ऑब्जेक्ट्स के लिए होता है और पर्सन के लिए होता है. दिस जो होता है वो दूर के दूर के लिए होता है. Okay, that and those refers to person or objects at distance. That और those किसके लिए यूज होता है? For persons who are at distance. That is used before singular nouns and those before the plural nouns. Okay, example: that car belongs to my father. Those cars are for sale. This and that can be used before the uncountables also. This or that का use uncountable के before भी होता है. Okay, example: this food is not fit to be eaten. Here, food is uncountable. That rose bush bears beautiful pink roses. Okay. Now next is possessive. Possessive जैसे कि possessive से ही हम लोग को लग रहा है कि possession. Okay, possessive किसको कहते हैं? जो possess करता है. They are called possessive because they possesses the noun that follow them. Okay, वो उस noun को possess करता है जो उसको follow कर रहा है. Possessives can be used before both singular and plural nouns. Example, my book, my books. Your purse, your purses. Okay, singular नाम के लिए और plural नाउन दोनों के लिए यूज होता है. They can be used before countables as well as the uncountables. Singular plural के लिए भी यूज होता है और के पहले यूज होता है और countables and uncountables के पहले भी इसका यूज होता है. Example, our minister, our ministers, our duty.
Okay children, we will study till here only today. In next video we will continue. Thank you.